Welcome back, guys. Today we'll try to understand how we can align text within Excel, or if you have a particular cell, how the alignment looks like. So suppose I have this word in a cell, I scan analyze. Yeah. So in order to show how the alignment works, let me make this cell a little bigger. Okay. So this is one cell. Okay. And I have some data within this cell. Yeah. So let me show you how the alignment works. So in order to get to alignment, you need to right click on the cell which you want to align. Again, we need to click on format cells and we need to go to the alignment tab over here. Yeah. From here, we can have the alignment. So for text alignment, we have this horizontal alignment and vertical alignments. Okay. So let's try one by one how this alignment works all together. So I'll first select horizontal alignment. I'll ask it to right indented. So if I say right indented and I click on OK, that just have a look at the cell with the data. If I say right indented and bottom, yeah, it's at the bottom of the cell, and it is left indented. Now it has to be right indented. So the word will move to the right. So let's see the effect. Okay. So you see the word has moved to the right and to the bottom of the cell. Again, let's click once again. Horizontal alignment. Again, it is whether left aligned, whether it is right aligned, whether across selection. Yeah. Let me put it center aligned. And I say not bottom this time, but I'll put it at the top. So I want it in center, but on the top of the cell alignment. So I say, okay, you say it will go to the center and to the top. Yes. So this is the top part. This is left. This is right. And this is bottom. And in between, you have the center. Yeah. So as per the options that you choose from here, it will align your text. So I have general, I have left, I have center, I have indent, I have fill, I have justified. Yeah. Or I can have a top, center, bottom, justified or distributed alignment. Say okay. Yeah. So you can see the word have got distributed. Yeah. Again, I make it a little bigger. So this were the various ways in which you can align text within an Excel cell. Yeah. So I can make it top, I can make it bottom, I can make it left or center as in how I require. So horizontally, we'll move the text to the center, left, right, or however you want it to be. Yeah. Vertically, it will move it to the top, it will move it to the bottom. Yeah. You can use both in combination. So this was the one way of aligning your text. The second way is on your home tab itself. So if I go to home tab, I have in the alignment group, you will find this alignment text commands, which you can use to align your text. Yeah. So let's try and use those one by one. So this is for your horizontal alignment. So the upper part that is available is for vertical alignment, and the lower part is used for your horizontal alignment. So let's see for the vertical part first. So it is already at the top, so it is already been highlighted here. Make it, if I press on center, you'll find the cell, the text has gone to the center. If I click on bottom, it will go to the bottom. Yeah, again, top, center, bottom. Same way, if I select the horizontal alignments, it's left align, center align, or right align. So I can choose bottom, center, left. I can choose center, left, right. I can choose top, left, right, bottom, as in how I want my text to be displayed within the cell. Okay. So we saw two ways in which you can align your text. First was by right clicking on the data which you want to align. Second, by using the ribbon and using the commands within the ribbon, using the mouse. Now, these commands can be accessed again using your keyboard. So let me have my on-screen keyboard once again. Okay. So what you need to do is, you need to, if you remember my previous topic of accessing your ribbon through the keyboards, how do we do that? Pressing Alt. As soon as I press Alt, there are alphabets that would come on the ribbon. So Alt, as soon as I press H, you find all this alphabets that have come on the ribbon. Now, if I have to use any of this alignments, you can see there have been a characters that are being here available. So if I have to right align, I have to press AR. So I'll press AR. So it has got right align. Yeah. So if I have to make this data come to the bottom of the cell, I'll press again Alt H, and bottom of the cell we have AB. So I'll press AB. So it has come to the bottom of the cell. So this is how you can press or press keys on your keyboard to directly access the commands which are available on the ribbon. Yeah, rather than you going to your mouse and clicking one by one. That would be a tedious task, and again getting back to keyboard to do all your formatting. Suppose I want to align the text to middle and do bold italic. So how do I do it? I'll press Alt H. I have to bring it to the middle of the cell. So I'll say AC. Yeah. And I'll say bold italic. See, it was so quick rather than I would have used a mouse. So if I have to remove the bold italic again, bold italic. I have to get it center aligned. I'll touch AC. Sorry. I'll touch and AM. Alt H AC. Yes. So I've got it to the center of the cell. So it was so quick. Once you get used to the keyboard ways of formatting or doing all kind of operations within the Excel. Hope you understand how you can align text within Excel. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Yes, comment if you want me to cover any of the topics which you love to in our 365 days of Excel journey. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you're going to get engaged with us to see all the videos that we'll be covering in this year. Thank you so much.